How to view Telegram channels which cannot be displayed on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to view Telegram channels which cannot be displayed on iPhone. First of all, open up the Telegram app, and if you're already logged in, go to your web browser and go to your Telegram account. Then click to open the Telegram in the web browser. Once you get into your account on the web browser, then click on Menu from the top left corner. After that, choose the Settings option from here. Now, go into the Privacy and Security block. Then scroll down in Privacy and Security. After that, tap to disable the filtering option from here. Then get back to the Telegram app and reload the page. And now, you will be able to view Telegram channels which cannot be displayed on iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.